Hello friends, here are the two ways you can actually boost your immunity. The commonest mistake people when they're using even fancy hand sanitizers, it contains a lot of things which are not good for you, including triclosan. So I have seen people applying so much sanitizer on their hands and then eating something with their hands, which is absolutely harmful. This kills all the good bacteria in your gut. So if you're going to eat something after using the hand sanitizer, make sure you wash your hand with soap and water and get rid of all the sanitizer, because corona will go and then comes a whole load of other diseases because you have messed up with your immunity, which comes from the good bacteria in your gut. And the second thing is the Neti wash. How are you going to do the anterior nasal wash or the Neti the right way? So preparing a saline solution is easy. 1 teaspoon of rock salt or any good salt you have, boil it in about a liter of water and for 10 minutes and then let it cool. When it's tepid, put your finger in and then you can fill it from the bowl like this, and you bend forward over a basin. You would apply it on one side and then you get a good seal here and then bend, so then it goes from one side and comes out through the other side of the nasal cavity. And then similarly from the left side, bending forward where it comes out on the right side. It's as simple as this. And if you don't have an Neti pot, no problem. There are 2 other ways of doing it. You can just use a syringe, a simple syringe, fill it up with the water, bend forward just like this. Similarly, the other side. If you don't even have a syringe, you can still use your own hands filled with the water. Just suck it in slightly and then let it go out, and similarly do the other side. And then this part no one tells you. There's an amazing teacher called, yoga teacher called Rohan Nayak, whose address will be in the box below. So he has demonstrated the way of actually, after the Neti wash, how do you not get a headache? Nobody tells you this, and I'm going to tell you this today. So it's important to do Kapalbhati or forced expiration. So 5 times you would breathe out, only breathe out like this. And after the 5 Kapalbhatis, put both your palms like this on your temples, and then you would massage the forehead or the frontal sinuses 5 times each side. Again, do 5 Kapalbhatis again. And the next thing would be put your thumb facing like this and massage from top to bottom here where your ethmoid sinuses are, from up to down. And then the next thing would be for your maxillary sinuses here. So again, after 5 Kapalbhatis or expirations, like you would massage down like this, okay, on both sides, and 10 times. And again, 5 more rounds of Kapalbhatis. And then after that, you would do this part of your ear. That is the front and back of your ears. You would just massage gently behind, front and behind, 10 times like this. And after this, the next thing would actually be for your, again, 5 rounds of Kapalbhati, and then you'd massage your neck from down to up 10 times, and then 5 more rounds of Kapalbhati. So why are you doing these 5 rounds? Because it actually creates warmth inside your sinuses, and any moisture or water which has gone in and stagnated there, gets rid of it. So these are tips and tricks no one is telling you, and really important if you don't want to have a headache. And the game is between the viral load and your immunity. And this nasal wash, what I've taught you, is the greatest thing for 2 things: to bring down the viral load as well as to push your immunity up. These are simple things. And the other secret is, what you could do is stand with both your legs apart and then bend forward like this, about your shoulder width apart your legs. And then slowly what you could do is on each side, you would bend on each side and then allow the water to come out. So this completely drains your sinuses and you feel fantastic. This can become a regular part of your life, not just during a flu or COVID or anything, but it's something amazing even to cleanse even allergens. If you have regular allergies or sinus infections, as a doctor, this is something amazing because it even washes out the allergens. So the incidence of allergies, asthma, sinus infections, difficulty in breathing, all this really goes down. And if you're struggling to breathe when you're inhaling steam, again, the steam is the other amazing thing. Other than the salt and the turmeric, you can add some ajwain or carob seeds. So this again is incredible for opening up your breathing passages. And the other acupressure points are at the tips of your 10 fingers. So if you would press it 10 times on all your 10 fingers and your 10 toes, your breathing would improve instantly. It's like a flower which is opening up. So this is for Bhagwan Karji and Ramesh. This is for all of you who can easily find the most natural, easy ways of breathing. Being healthy is super easy. Breathing well is your birthright. You deserve it. I know what it feels when you're not able to breathe. So don't worry, use all of this. And if you need extra help, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to give each of you what you really need right now. Don't panic, don't fear. I'm here with you every step of this journey. Thank you so much.